Hey guys, today this is Decorate. This is my place today. This is App 2 of Creator Islands. Today I'm just gonna build this thing. So yeah, got a perfect designs. I'm sorry I'm a little bit too laggy. Sorry guys, because okay. There. I'm really dumb right now. Wait, what's the this one? There. I didn't see that because it's like the replaced it. Oh, there's two boys with you. So this guy in this car. I'm doing like this. Okay, so that's not right. There. No. There. No. There. So how are you doing? There. Okay, so we already have 1 minute. Now 5 more seconds. We have 2 minutes now playing this game. It's so cool. It takes that. Hey, give me 5 now. I'm keep tapping this, but it's not working. Really? Where's that coming from? What's going on there? I don't know. Oh, you have a pool. Wow, that's very, very easy. Yeah. Wait. Wow, okay, so it gave me 5. So this need a house. We're just gonna do that. Okay, so there we go. Just put there. Well, that's very, very easy. So, yeah. this guy's doing? He's just running. Give me this. This guy needs car, so I'm gonna do the helicopter. Helicopter is coming. No. No. Wow. It takes me like 20 seconds to do. What do you guys think? So, yeah. Kept giving me cubes. It's like infinity cubes. Give her. It's oh, wait, this guy. Hey, thank you, thank you, thank you. So I think gonna end up the video. So now, guys, leave a comment down below if you love this video, and also leave a like, subscribe, click the bell button, and I'll see you in the part 3 or act 3. So next time, guys. Bye. Bye, guys.